everything became difficult. If you shout at Appa's ear, his face will be emotionless. Sound system is damaged. That transistor became voiceless and dead. Long back. The time has passed. Lata Didi's voice never reaches to his ears. Appa's ears, lifelong, hungry, merciless, became deaf.
Hey Mai, Appa got retired? Not seen him anywhere. Is he alright?
He doesn't listen to me. I feel very afraid.
No, not. What is wrong with his health? He look really shining. No BP, no sugar. Then what is his problem?
Lifetime operated press. Machine sound was the life. There also transistor was on always, and he used to tweezer the exact sur of the song.
All were calling Appa as a best listener. Appa has not missed a single Savai Gandharva music concert. And that Binaka Geetmala? How much listening? Don't ask about sur, tal, lay. All was on the tip and tongue. Appa knows everything.
Yes, Lata Didi means Appa's supreme god. Wow, godly voice. Appa's life was based on this voice. Harassment, cheating from own people. Restart from zero. Single man's journey.
Two things. Appa's life was going on track. One, Mayu. And second, Lata Didi's godly voice. Giving inspiration. Eternal and together. Appa always tell us, this Lata will never happen again. Appa was leaving a song. Literally.
Now everything became difficult. If you shout at Appa's ear, his face will be emotionless. Sound system is damaged. That transistor became voiceless and dead. Long back. The time has passed. Lata Didi's voice never reaches to his ears. Appa's ears, lifelong, hungry, merciless, became deaf.
Mai, you are not allowing Appa to move. If he walks on the road, he can't hear horns. Still he goes out by escaping Mai's watch. But Mai's heartbeats are hanged till he comes to home. She gets angry. Will be angry. Then gets harsh. Appa has forgotten his life. This situation becomes a very difficult to you, Mai, isn't it?
Only one son. If he would be here, leave it. Don't remind. Yesterday, FD liquidated. Neighbors Vinu, myself and Appa went. 10,000 spent.
What?
Please come forward, little forward. Take a breath, expel it. Take and expel. Now I this test was done in earlier visit. And according to your taste, we had aligned and bought this hearing aid. You adjust these to your ears. Is it fit? Keep this container in your purse.
Will I be able to listen for sure?
Yes, will. Definitely yes. Can you listen now?
Yes, I can listen very meagerly.
There would be little harsh mixed noise, is it?
Very big shouts and voices.
These harsh noises will get minimized and you will be able to hear very clear voice. Slowly, slowly.
Coming, little bit coming.
It should become habit for this. Am I right? Yeah. As soon as you start hearing, you have to give a celebration party. Is it?
Hey, why expecting party? I will give it to you.
Hey, you said it. But you have to tell a best story of Lata Didi. Okay?
Remaining life will be insufficient to tell the stories of Lata Didi. There are thousands of stories. I will say, such Didi will never born again.
Such a Didi will never born again.
मेरी आवाज ही पहचानी है, गर याद रहे हो, नाम गुम जाएगा. Let me see today's paper. Oh, Didi passed away. Up to the time sun and moon are there in the sky, music exists on earth. Still that her voice will be available. Ah, the heavenly voice means फुलांचे उमलणे, फुलपाखरांचे तरंगणे, मातेचे ममत्व, जीवनाचे सर्वस्व, जगण्याची शक्ती आणि शारदेची बुद्धी. Such a Didi will never born again.
मेरी आवाज़ पहचान है, गर याद रहे.
La 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ra